Hello, my name's Juan Cardial, and I'm going to be your instructor for this semester. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I have a BA in Liberal Studies and a master's degree from Dominguez Hills University in school psychology. I have 17 years of experience teaching in K through 12. I mostly taught in the primary grades, which is pre-K, kindergarten, first grade, and second grade. But I also have experience substituting in middle school and high school. After teaching, I was a school psychologist for 6 years. And in the last 8 years, I've been working at NOCE, which is North Orange Continuing Education, better known as NOCE. And I've been working in the high school diploma program and in the Learning Center. And I also work at the Centennial Educational Center, where we mostly do assessments and the assessment department. So I have lots of teaching experience, and I'm very enthusiastic and can't wait to get to meet you all. And an important thing I need to tell you is if you need to get in contact with me, you go to the Canvas inbox. That's the best way to contact me. And also about your instructor, I've listed 2 emails where you could contact me, and also my telephone number if you need to call me or text me. So anyway, can't wait to get started and to meet you all.